Hey guys, what's up? Here to tell you a little bit about a favorite snack of mine. It's by Trader Joe's. They're peanut butter and jelly bars, or PB&J bars for short. I love Trader Joe's products. I'm like always at that store. If I see something new that they made, I always make it a point to check it out and grab it and see if I like it. And I have to say, like, I've really never been disappointed by them. So these PB&J bars are delicious. They're soft and chewy oat bars with creamy peanut butter and strawberry fruit filling. They are gluten-free, and they come with 6 1.2 ounce bars that weigh 7.4 ounces. They're peanut butter and jelly equals yummy. I think this like little thing on the box is kind of cute. And they have 8 grams of whole grain per serving. So if you love peanut butter and jelly like I do, and I have it on the couch because I'm about to have it as my late night snack right now. It's 11:15 at night and I'm hungry and I don't want to eat anything heavy, so I'll go for one of these. But they're like, if you love peanut butter and jelly like I do, you'll love these. Now, one thing I have to say is I don't know if they make a peanut butter and jelly bar with grape jelly, but I prefer grape jelly to strawberry jelly. So Trader Joe's, if you're watching this, that's an idea for you. The strawberry filling is delicious, don't get me wrong, but I maybe prefer some grape jelly. And these bars I think they're really good. I mean, people say that they get like thirsty when they eat these. I mean, I don't really. I have them with a drink, with like coffee or water or something like that. It's funny because it's like the only things that I drink are like coffee and water for the most part. So I'm usually having this with something else. But yeah, some people tell me like, oh, like they had it and it made them feel thirsty. But I think they're so good. So let's go to the side. The children on this box are geniuses. They've created the most impressive recreation of a classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich imaginable. Without bread, it begins as a classic equation. Creamy peanut butter plus the strawberry filling. Here, they've used an algorithm that includes a soft and chewy oat bar, and it all equals yummy. See box front for further proof. So that's why the kids are on this box. So it's just a cute little backstory. And then we go to the nutrition facts. So serving size is 1 bar, of course. 150 calories, 35 calories from fat, 4 grams of total fat, total carbs 23 grams, sugars 11 grams, and protein 2 grams. Ingredients: strawberry filling, sugar, cane syrup, glycerin, water, tapioca starch, natural flavor, strawberries, apple powder, pectin, citric acid, locust bean gum, color, red cabbage extract, annatto color, crust. The ingredients in the crust are oats, peanut butter, peanuts, oat flour, invert sugar, brown rice syrup, canola oil, rice flour, glycerin, peanut flour, water, tapioca starch, natural flavor, baking soda, and sea salt. Contains peanuts. May contain traces of milk, soy, or tree nuts. So if you guys have any allergies to nuts, milk, or soy, just gotta watch out. And then distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in California. They come individually wrapped like this. Cute little bars. Throw them in my purse or backpack, whatever. If you're looking for something to give your kids at school, like, you know, a nice snack to give them, it's not bad for them, has good ingredients, and is going to be filling and a good source of whole grain, then this is definitely for you. And they are nice and chewy, and I'm going to open up the package. It's easy to rip open so you guys could see what it looks like. Okay, so I took it out of the package so you guys could see. You can see the strawberry filling on the side. Thin, not too, not too thick, not too thin, like kind of in the middle. And it's a good size too. Something nice to munch on. I'm having it as a late night snack, but you could have it for breakfast or with breakfast, like maybe with some yogurt. You could put it just, you know, in your office or whatever, just to have as like a midday snack. You could send it to as long as you're not giving your kids peanut butter and jelly for lunch, because this might be too much peanut butter and jelly. You could send it along with lunch as well. really just delicious. I love it. So, and you could order these online, of course, if you don't have a Trader Joe's by you. You could still easily find them, so that's awesome. So they're Trader Joe's peanut butter and jelly bars. Hope you guys try them, and I know you're gonna love them.